Hjonabandssaela. A blessed marriage cake. A dessert from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Combine all dry ingredients and then blend in margarine and eggs. Step 2. Mix well and press half of the dough into 2 9 to 10 inches cake pans or pie plates. Step 3. Then cover the dough with rhubarb jam. Top by crumbling the rest of the dough on top of jam. Step 4. Bake at 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Best served lukewarm with whipped cream. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.